Immaculate family, did you know that in 2024, over $43 billion was made globally through print-on-demand platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Amazon Merch? And guess what? The best part is most of these people never printed a single t-shirt themselves. Now in 2025, there is a whole new twist to the story. You don't even need to be an artist or a designer to cash in. With AI tools like Google Gemini and DAL, you can create stunning, sellable artwork in just minutes straight from your phone or laptop. And yes, I'm talking to you, the students, the stay-at-home, the stay-home mom, the 9 to 5 hustler like me, even you watching this in your bed right now, thinking, can I really make money doing this? Yes, you can. The answer is yes. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. Let's dive in, you guys. But before we dive in, please like this video, comment, engage. Your engagement means a lot to us. And share. To new subscribers, we love you so much. The first and foremost, how it is done, it can be done, is what, before I even talk about how you can do it, is what is print on demand, by the way. Let's break it down. Print on demand means you upload your design to a platform and they print it only when someone buys. You don't hold any stock, no delivery stress, no warehouse, nothing. You just collect your share every time someone orders. Now, let's combine this with AI generated art. You have got an unlimited design machine in your hands. Moreover, you do it from your smartphone. Then, let's see about the tools you can do for you to do this. What do you need for you to get started? You need Google Gemini. Use this for text-based creative ideas. Ask it for trending design ideas, styles, and even catchphrases for your shirts or for mugs. Example, like you can get example prompts like, give me 10 t-shirt quotes that sell on Etsy about coffee and cats. You can also go ahead, this is the second thing that you need, is a DAL. DAL, I mean DALL, or other AI image generators. This tool lets you create beautiful, unique designs with simple prompts. Examples of prompts is like vintage styles black woman in nature, Afrocentric vibe, with quote rooted in reality. They will give you a lot of things if you have such prompts. Then the third is Redbubble, Etsy, or Teespring account. When you get these platforms, these platforms are free to sign up. Just go to your Google, to your Chrome, your favorite website or your favorite browser that you use. Put there one of the platform. It will come. Fill out your personalities as in terms of profile. Follow the prompts. These platforms are free to sign in and ready to be used. You can upload your artwork and done. Things are done like that. You can do this all from your phone without even asking any money, without any stress and no investment. Then the part 3, which is very important, is being realistic earning strategy for you. Because there is starting, there is earning, there is executing. Let's talk about the money. The juicy part everybody wants to hear. On average, the print-on-demand creators can earn between $300 to $1,500 per month, depending on how many products you sell or how many products they list and how they will optimize their titles and tags. This is my advice. From experience, you need to use SEO-friendly titles and keywords. Just for YouTube, these platforms are search engines. Seriously, because every platform, these ones are search engines. And the best part is your design sell while you sleep. You don't need to be just there. It's simple. It's like having a digital shop open 24/7. Let's see why this is perfect for everyday people. You and me, an average person. You don't need a really degree in design. You don't need a big following, like how people always talk, my following. No, you don't need even money to start. What you need focus, you need your creativity, you need to be consistent, and you need that AI and the tools to use, which are literally free. This is perfect for you, for me who is working a 12-hour job, a hustler. It is perfect for that wife who is a stay-home mom parent looking for extra cash. It's perfect for anyone tired of jobs with no flexibility. You can decide, say, let me take up this to be my full-time job. You get to express yourself, you create something fun and get paid. What's not, or really, what's not to love? Here, everything is lovely. You can go for it. So if you've been sleeping on AI and print on demand, this is your wake up call, girl. Start with one design a day. Use Gemini and DALL-E to fuel your ideas. And in few weeks, you'll have a full collection bringing in more money without lifting a finger. I don't know. I don't want this video to be very long because I want to know your suggestions, you guys. So what you do, I want you to go to comment section, drop for me something that you feel you want to start with. And even if you want, you can ask me, I give you a free guide on this. I'll just especially for t-shirts and mugs, I'll give you the one I use it to make my shirts for Immaculate Show. And don't forget to hit the follow button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, because your shares make a lot. Your engagement make a lot for me. Thank you very much, guys. Let's go out there and make money using POD and the ChatGPT. Thank you. See you in another one.